I'll show you how you can free up this space on Windows 10, 11, or 7. First off, you want to go to the Start menu. On the Start menu, go to Settings. On Settings, you want to go ahead and go to System. After that, you want to go to Storage. On storage, you will now see the breakdown of what the current storage you are using is. So there's going to be a couple of gigabytes on installed apps, on others, temporary files, documents, videos, and all of those other things, right? The thing you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to go to cleanup recommendations. On cleanup recommendation, you can see there's temporary files. These are files that's usually not useful. You want to download or you want to go ahead and clean up the recycle bin here. Don't clean up downloads because this is a lot of your downloaded files that you downloaded from your browser and you might be still using some of that. So don't clean this up. Just clean up the recycle bin one, tap on clean up like this, tap on continue, and then it'll clean up real quick. Now, that's another couple of free disk storage space just like that. And your recycle bin could lead up to 10 gigabytes or 20 gigabytes because you forgot to delete it. So this is definitely a good way to free up some disk space.